Okay, guys, so I want to talk to you about this Logitech Harmony remote control. This is a programmable remote control, but it's more high tech than just that. You just can't just program it, put a couple codes in. You have to actually download software, install it, and so forth. But I want to show you what's in the box, give you an idea, and what it looks like. So in the box, when you first receive it, it comes in the box. It comes in two packages like this here. So the first package is the actual remote control. I'll open it up and I'll show you. So in here is the remote control and the cradle to charge it. So this has a whole charging cradle system in here already. And that's what's in here right here. They just put this out of the way. As you can see here, there's a little charging cable. You plug in here, you charge it up. This is what the cradle looks like. And this is what the remote looks like here. Real simple. I already did charge it, so it did hold the charge. It works, but it's like a computer. It has no information in it. So you have to program this. That's why you have software. So you have to install the software. And here's where you plug in the port. On top is a little port right there. And there is in the bottom here, there's a battery. I'll show you that too, where you can see everything. So here is the battery. So if the battery does die out, it's rechargeable. You can always change these out. Easy enough. They pop in and pop out. So that's easy enough. Like that. And that is how that works. So it's pretty easy. And I'll show you what else they give you here also in the package as well. That way you can see everything that's in the package itself. So also you will receive, of course, a power cord to plug in the cradle, transfer cable. Okay, so you plug it to your computer, PC or Mac. Okay, just so you know. And here is all the different paperwork that you have. A startup guide, software. I'm going to show you again here. There's a little startup guide, how to do it. It's pretty easy. It's pretty much plug and play. You program it. You tell it, I guess, basically what carrier you're using. You can program all the different remote controls. You can just really, it's all the tech, all the software is right here. So all the brains are in here. Basically, it's a little computer. Install the software and all the supporting information, how to use it, all the features. Here's a features guide, how you can program all the different features. So it's very detailed and very organized, but it's very specific. So you just can't take it out of the box and just, oh, let me just plug the code in and it's going to work. You have to install the software first. That's what you have to do. But this is what it looks like. It's cool. And then every time you're done using it, you place it down and it keeps it charged. So that's a cool feature. I like that a lot. So definitely like this Logitech One Harmony remote control. Like I said, this is awesome. Again, PC, Mac, either way. Rechargeable, simple online setup, very easy. It says do one touch activity. Once you get it going, it's pretty much super easy to use. And from what I understand, it is a very, very cool toy. All right, guys. So I just want to show you what it looks like, give you some ideas how to use it. I hope you enjoyed this little review. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching.